In this video, I'll be showing you how you can refund your game passes in Roblox. The first thing that I want you to do is to change this link into support. So roblox.com/support. And then hit the enter button. Here you will be introduced into this form where you have to send this into the support team of Roblox. So fill in all these details and focus on the issue details. Enter the device that you have because after taking the purchase and the type of help category, which is the purchase using Robux. Then use a inexperienced item selection and add a description of your issue, which is basically that you want to refund all the game passes that you purchase on Roblox. And then click the continue button. You must be attentive about the messages that your account will receive, since the support team typically send their updates in the messages section. That's it. That's how you can refund your game passes on Roblox. And thank you for listening.